Hi everyone, hope you guys are well. In today's video, I'm gonna sell my luxury bags and accessories. So let's go. Everything is on my website, bamluxurystore.com. I sell pre-loved, authentic pre-loved. Sometimes it's as new, and I have vintage, I have as new, I have very recent, different items, bags and accessories. I'm excited because I have beautiful things today to show you as per usual. The first thing that I want to show you is a classic and intemporel that was released again on the website recently. I'm mentioning the Louis Vuitton Noé in Epi Leather. As you can see right now on the website, they are releasing it again. So this is a good news actually, and this bag is going to go up again. So this is an Epi Leather bag from Louis Vuitton. This one is a PM size. It's a beautiful baby. The condition of this one is actually great. I'm quite impressed for a little vintage that year. The year of the bag, oh my god, it's my year! It's actually a 95. Insane! So the bag will have 30 years old next year, and the bag is still in great condition. I'm impressed. I have exact same bag, but in bigger. I have a GM size, and this is a PM size. I'm impressed. This is so cool. So you have little stain here on the leather, but otherwise this is such a good condition bag. The inside, I'm just gonna check also with the light. You have a stain inside, but this is not that big. I'll try to show you closer. You have a little stain, but it's nothing that big. Otherwise, condition is so great. I'm impressed. And the price, let me check the price for this little baby. Price for this one is 680 euro. This is such a good everyday bag. You can fit anything inside. That is good. Mine, I can fit a computer. This one, I guess, a little bit too, but a smaller one. But this is so good. This is a very good everyday bag. And this little attach here is in great condition. The bag for the year is amazing. Guys, I will be in Paris also this weekend. It was not planned at all. I'm gonna pick up some luxury items. So if you want to sell your items and give them in consignment to us, we will be in Paris if you live in Paris from Saturday 16th of November until Monday 18th of November included. So contact us, make sure to make a closet tour, like a closet clean out. We don't take in consignment clothing and shoes, but we do take like bags, small accessories, jewels, watches, lots of different things. So if you want to sell your items, we are here in Paris this weekend. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be Christmas time, so it's now the moment to sell if you want to buy new things. Voilà, contact us if you want to know more and if you want us to meet. Next one is here. This is a Chanel bag, a Hot Dust bag, and ta-da! This is a special limited edition one. You can see that we had the hardware that is half silver, half gold. This is beautiful. This is such a beautiful bag. I'm in love. And I have something to show you at the end of this video. So stay until the end. Consider subscribing as for usual. And during the video, I have some few things that I need to show you that are very important that I have now available. Stay around. So this one is a very special one. So this one has a double flap inside. I'm just gonna put the chain out. So this is a bag that you can, this one is possible to wear it as a crossbody bag if you're not too tall. I'm 161 centimeters, okay? And otherwise you can also double cross the chain, and this is like a bag, shoulder bag. This is a beautiful one. I have to say that this one has an odor, a vintage odor. I think it was not released a lot out, so it has an odor. I will try to remove it, but I have to mention it. You have a back pocket. This one is very special anyway. Otherwise, corners are great. A little bit rubbed, but very good. It was not retouched, not retinted at all. Corners on the back, very good as well. Look at this beautiful, insane baby. I'm so insane. I'm grateful for these babes. So as you can see, we have a double flap. This is so cool. I really like this bag. So So for this baby, I do have the authentication card. I also had the hologram inside and the entrepreneur certificate plus our certificate. You have a very good interior, actually. This is a very good one. You have a zipper like pocket, 2 pockets that are not peeling, that are in very good condition. We can see some trace of wear. It's not a brand new one, obviously, but still, this is a very, very good condition, babe. And the price for this amazing bag, 2,590 euro. Such a cool price for this one. So go for it. It's on my website, bamluxurystore.com. Okay, so something that I wanted to show you is now that is available on my website, care products for your bags. So I have different kits that are available, and so this one is perfect for this type of bag. This is kind of fragile leather, I would call them like this, lambskin leather and box leather. You need to buy this kit. This is a kit, lambskin and box leather, fragile leather, I would say. So you have this one that is a soap that is here to clean your bag. You have a little sponge inside, and then you have the Napa that is with jojoba oil based. This is a very good one to hydrate and protect your bag, and then we offer with it a chamoisine to clean and protect your bag. So a bag in leather is like your skin. You need to clean it and you need to hydrate it to protect it. You need to do it like minimum every 2 to 3 months. This is very important if you want to carry a bag. Okay, now I have a little cute accessory. I'm so excited to have this. I have a dust bag and I have the copy of the invoice for this one, and I'm very excited because it's very trendy right now, the bag charms that we have, that we see everywhere. And look, the one that I have right now with me today, this is a petite malle, a little trunk, red epi leather and black, that you can attach to your bags or your keys if you want. This is so freaking cute. This is as new. I think my clients never used it, so this is very, very nice. And let me find you the price for this babe, 260 euro. Okay, another accessories, I would say we have a desk bag. This is as new as well. And wow, look at this little pouch from Louis Vuitton. I'm happy because this is a very special damier canvas one. Same for all your wallets or small accessories. You can use the coated fabric product to clean them. This is canvas here, so you can use it. The only thing you don't need to do with the product, do not apply the product on leather parts, vachetta, okay? The light leather parts, never, because it will, you protect them while you wash your canvas, but all the leather parts, don't use the product on it. Like, you don't have to use anything on these parts. This one is in great condition, I have to say. Like, this is so freaking cute. This is a little pouch. The inside is full leather. You have lots of space for cards, a little zipper part. This is so mini cute. I love it, actually. This is a good pouch for men, women. Like, it's mixed. But it's so freaking nice. And yeah, you can remove it here, or you can clip it again. We can see like little rubbing here. I think it's dirt. It's dirt, I think. Price for this one is 465 euro with the dust bag, so go for it. This is a very special one. I don't have these type of items often, I have to admit. This is a client that dropped me this one. I'm happy. Next, it's a Gucci bag, and okay, I'm gonna remove the bag. Very cute little tote bag from Gucci. This is a fabric bag and leather up details. I'm very happy about this little one. This is such a cute bag, very easy to wear, very trendy bag. You have a leather base that is in very good condition. Corners are a little bit rubbed. It was used a little bit, as you can see. I'm trying to show you from closer, like what I can. You have photos and description on the website. The handles are very good, actually. This is perfect. You could add like a strap if you want to wear it as a crossbody bag. There is like the attach if you want. We don't have the strap. It's not a bag that went that was like purchased with a strap. Inside is perfect. This is a fabric. You have a zipper pocket. Let me open it to check it. But I believe it's perfect. Yay! Very good. This is a very good bag, like for an everyday use. This is very useful, and you can fit quite so many things. You have a dirt here. We can see it a little bit. we have a dirt here. But the price is so low, very, very low. Where is my price tag? Here. Price is 365 euros. So as you can see, perfect. Next is a small leather good. Here I have the dust bag and little wallet, compact wallet, as you can see, monogram and leather. This is great. Corners are a little bit rubbed. This one was little used. Pressure button also has little scratches, and let's open it together. Woo, that's huge. That is so huge. Like, this is such a good one. You have the coin pocket section here, cards. You can also fit cash in it or anything else. This is great. This is so huge. I'm impressed. Here you have pockets. Oh my God, that is great. This one is so nice. And let me check the coin pocket part. This is good. It was used a little bit. We can see it in the coin pocket section, as per usual on this type of item. Price is 320, but it's a very good price because this is such a useful one. This is a very good compact. I'm this close to keep it for me because actually this is so perfect. Lots of cards, and this is good. And it takes not many places in the bag. I love it. This is good. Well, it's available on the website for now. I will think about it myself because it's a good one actually. I like it. Now, this little special limited edition bag. I know you probably never saw this bag before, and that's fine. This is... Wow, I'm impressed. This is what I love about doing this. I can see some very intemporel, classic chic bag, and I can also see like very limited, crazy handbags. I love it. This was so hard to find. So this is the Alma bag from Louis Vuitton, like this fabric and leather. This one is insane. This is so hard to find, especially in the price I'm gonna give you. Condition, I would say, is good, very good. This part is amazing. This part has one little stain here. You could clean the fabric. I need to find a product to clean the fabric. I need to check with Saphir the products that I have, but all the leather based, I have the products for you. It's smooth leather here, for example, you can use. We have some little trace, but almost nothing. What I love about the base is here you have the little feet with the logo LV. This is what I like. It's very detailed. This is Bordeaux red. Let's see the inside now. So the inside is in great condition for the year of the bag I'm gonna give you after. You have some little trace of where it was used. It's fabric inside, and the year of the bag is 2003. This is insane. It has a long time now actually, and the price is 615 euro for this little bag. The front of the bag is amazing. So this is cool. Oh wow, another detail that I love here. Let me show you right now. Here, the little zipper attached. Look, this is like, I love it. Really, really love it. 615 euro for this beautiful bag. Okay, and now the last bag that I want to show you is this beautiful Gucci bag. That is a very good bag for this season. Brown leather, full leather for this one, that you can completely zip to close it. Let me up. So this is a very, very good one. Full leather in very good condition. Even the corners are great. A little bit rubbing here, but otherwise, such a good one. Very, very good. Full leather. And this one you can use the kit smooth leather to care about your bag and protect it. We have also a kit for grain leather. So we have a kit coated canvas, so for all canvas. We have a little brush. We have the kit for grained leather, smooth leather, and fragile leather. Fragile leather is more for lambskin leather for the Chanel. All Chanel you can use it in leather. And box leather, for example, Hermès, Chanel, and Celine. Any other type of leather, like normal leather, would be smooth leather. And I would soon have, like, for fabrics and for maybe velvet, suede leather, I would have a look for this one, but they are way more complicated, and these ones I would advise you not to do it at your own place, but go to a professional and always use them on a little corner where the bag, you don't see it in case. but that is a beautiful one. Let us check the inside of this bag now. This is a beautiful one. Like, I'm not a fan of Gucci bags. I love the clothing, but this one is actually great. I'm sure the price is gonna be amazing. So let me check the inside. So inside is actually huge. You're not gonna see anything, but it's huge and in very good condition. Let me check the zipper pocket as well. Very, very good. Price for this baby is 640 euro, guys. So go very fast because this is shot to steal. Thank you so much again for watching this channel with me today, for being around. I hope you liked it. Even if you're not purchasing, maybe you just enjoy watching this type of video. I'm so forever grateful for being around and be able to do this as my everyday business. So thank you so much. This is like a dream business for me. So I'm grateful and hope you have good purchase. If you are looking for something specific, don't hesitate to contact me. If you want to sell something, also contact us and me, and we'll try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you again so much for watching and see you very soon. Bye bye.